The Government of India, under the Apprenticeship Act of 1961, has launched two important schemes to address educated unemployment and build a skilled workforce. The first is the National Apprenticeship Training Scheme, or NATS, implemented by the Ministry of MSME. The second is the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme, or NAPS, under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. These particular schemes were introduced to ensure that educated unemployment is curbed and the students, especially those who have completed their graduation and diploma holders, can benefit from getting themselves skilled by joining an organization. So, under NATS scheme, apprentices get reimbursement to rupees 4,500 rupees per month for graduates and 4,000 rupees per month for diploma holders, leading to annual savings of approximately rupees 54,000 per apprentice. Apprentices are considered trainees, not employees, and are exempt from EPF, ESI, and other statutory labor provisions. Companies can allocate CSR funds to cover apprentice stipends. And under NAPS it is. For undergraduates, they pay a stipend of 1,500 rupees per month for 1 full year, leading to annual savings of approximately rupees 18,000 per apprentice. So effectively, for an employer who is onboarding these candidates, they need to only pay the difference amount of salary. Meet Jayesh, a recent graduate with ambition in his heart and the desire to do something meaningful after college.
I came across the NATS apprenticeship scheme on social media. It's looked promising, a government initiative helping freshers like me get practical training.
Curious and hopeful, Jayesh registered on the NATS portal. That simple step led him to an opportunity with Mosaic Work Skills, where he joined as an apprentice in the monitoring department.
Getting selected at Mosaic is a big moment for me. It was not just an internship, it was a chance to learn how government skill development programs are actually executed.
At Mosaic Work Skills, Jayesh worked hands-on with teams managing training centers across India. He saw how guidelines were implemented, how reports were maintained, and how operations were monitored. This apprenticeship didn't just teach Jayesh skills. It gave him clarity, confidence, and direction.
I truly want to thank NATS team and Mosaic Work Skills for this amazing opportunity.
Divyansh, a passionate video editor turning stories into stunning visuals.
Before NATS, editing was just an hobby. With the help of Mosaic Work Skills, I got real-world experience, not just theory. I learned how to handle projects, meet deadlines. Thanks to NATS and Mosaic, I turned my passion into career.
मैं हर्ष शर्मा मोज़ेक वर्क स्किल्स के बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट का एक प्राउड इंटर्न हूँ। नेट्स ने सिर्फ इंटर्नशिप नहीं दी, एक नया रियल इन्वायरमेंट दिया जहाँ मैंने ये सीखा कि किसी क्लाइंट से कैसे बात की जाती है, कैसे पिच बनाई जाती है और कैसे पार्टनरशिप ग्रो होती है। बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट इज़ नॉट जस्ट अबाउट सेलिंग, इट्स एंड बिल्डिंग न्यू आइडियाज़। यहाँ हर दिन नए लोगों से मिलना, नए चैलेंजेस फेस करना और मार्केट एक्सप्लोजर मिलता है। मोज़ेक वर्क स्किल्स ने मुझे वो मेंटरशिप दी है जो एक क्लासरूम नहीं दे सकता। यहाँ सीनियर्स गाइड नहीं करते हैं, पुश करते हैं सोचने के लिए और ग्रो करने के लिए। जहाँ स्ट्रेटेजी बनती है वहाँ से बिजनेस चलता है। बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट का हर एक इंटर्न डील मेकर बनता है।
Mosaic Work Skills believes that true development comes from clear direction, not just information. Here, interns grow into confident professionals.